Today I want to talk about the concept of commitment without consequences. In this case, I set a deadline for myself for 6 p.m. today to have a rough draft for an ebook, a very small, short, 10 to 15 page ebook that I want to have done. And so I set a deadline for 6 p.m., had a person for accountability, but did not set any consequences. Therefore, once I missed the deadline, it was like lawlessness broke out. It was like, well, whatever. And I just felt like I didn't need to, it took out all the momentum to miss a deadline. And because there was no consequence, there wasn't any real consequence to missing the deadline, except for the fact that I would undercut all my momentum. And it's similar to when you set a law that you can't enforce and everybody breaks it. It just undermines the integrity of the law. So when you set a deadline that you aren't going to enforce, or that you can't enforce because there's no consequence, it just undermines your own ability to set deadlines for yourself. And so I'm just throwing that out there because from now on, all my deadlines are going to have consequences. Suicide, very good consequence for me. I tend to hit these deadlines. No consequence, not a very good consequence, because I'm going to miss them, because that's just, why not? I test assumptions like that, and if the assumption is you can't miss a deadline, then I'm going to test that and see what happens.